Hey, what's up? This is evankovich here. Got a new bike kit for you guys. So yeah, um, start off in the front. We got ODI bar ends, ODI long neck grips. I've had these for like 3, 4 weeks, so about a month, and they're definitely like they're already worn in and stuff. So yeah. Well, I got the BSC Highlander bars. They were 30, but I cut them down to 28.5, and it just feels perfect. So yeah, I'm at 8.5 rise. Um, fit topless stem. It's really light. I did have the DK one, but I switched. I traded with my friend for a black DK one, and now I got this one because of another switch, just because this one's lighter. So, and then I painted that part green right there. I think it looks pretty sick. Um, the headset is a. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's a Colony Cane Creek headset. Um, also, my front wheel is a Maxxis DTH tire. It's a 20 by 2.20. Um, that's on a alienation stock rim, and then I got stock nipples, and I got this laced to lace with just stock spokes. I'm gonna be getting a completely new front wheel, so I'm building it up custom for myself. It also has a DK sealed front hub, and a Shadow Conspiracy Little Ones tag. Um, I got the Fly 413 buttered chromoly forks, and those have been holding up really well, and they're really light. So, yeah. Moving on to the middle, my frame is a Jurgazanson Helio signature colorway. It weighs in at about 4.8, 4.9 pounds, so it's pretty light for a frame. There's the signature right there, and it's pretty sick. I love it. It's a 20.5, and it also has a shorter back end than a lot of like brands out there that are in the same size. So that's what I like about it. Saves some weight too. Um, I got the DK toolbar cranks and the Odyssey Twisted PCs. I just got into those and I really like them. The only thing I don't like compared to my other pedals is like my other pedals had metal pins, and if it rained, it wasn't very like slippery. But these ones like they get really slippery if they're wet. So it's the only thing I don't like. Other than that, they're pretty nice. I recently just ordered the Shadow Conspiracy Franken Bones Sprocky in the 28 tooth. But right now I'm running the Fly 25 tooth film only. KMC Z chain, um, sealed TK, American, mid, whatever you want to call it, fun bracket. Got the amber fat seat. Also, my back wheel is pretty much all stock except for the hub and the rim. It's alienation rim, also with and that's laced with stock spokes and stock nipples. I'm getting new nipples for the front and back, and they're gonna be in green, and that's laced to a Miracle hub. And I'm running the Shadow Conspiracy Little One thing, front and back. And I got the newest Colony tire. It came out like maybe 6 or 7 months ago. I've had this for about that long, and it's holding up really nice, and I like it. It's a 20 by 2.15. So it's just a little bit smaller than the front one, but I like it. And here's the head sound. So that's my bike check. Also, I'm running the TSG Evolution helmet. It was black, but I sanded it down, made it white, and I think it just looks smoother. So yeah, it's a really great helmet, really light. get it on damn channel for like 50 bucks. Actually, I think it's like 45, but yeah. So that's my bike check. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, rate, comment, all that good stuff.